Hey, did you know that filing for divorce against a deployed military spouse comes with unique hurdles that can leave you feeling stuck? So here's what you need to know. Meet Lisa. After 8 years of marriage, Lisa made the difficult decision to file for divorce from her husband James, who is currently deployed overseas with the military. They have 2 young children, and while Lisa wanted to move forward with her life, she also needed to secure child support to care for the kids. But with James serving on active duty, Lisa quickly realized that the process wasn't as straightforward as she had hoped. So one of the first challenges that Lisa faced was serving divorce and child support papers to James. Military protocols and legal protections such as the Service Members Civil Relief Act, and you'll hear me call that SCRA, Service Members Civil Relief Act, added layers of complexity. She wasn't sure how to proceed or what James' rights under the SCRA meant for her case. So here's what Lisa and anyone in a similar situation needs to understand. Okay, first question is, can someone be served while on active duty? And the answer is yes, with certain conditions. Don't you love that? Okay, under the SCRA, service members are afforded protections to ensure that their military duties don't unfairly interfere with their ability to handle legal matters. For example, serving of papers. Divorce and child support papers can be served even during deployment. However, this must be done in a way that complies with both military protocols and Georgia state law. Now, in many cases, coordination with the service member's commanding officer or military-approved methods of service will be required. And then there are protections under the SCRA. So James, like other active duty service members, could request a delay or what's called a stay of the legal proceedings if his military duties made it impossible for him to participate. The initial delay is typically 90 days, but he can request additional stays if needed and justified. So what happens next? Well, Lisa learned that her case could still proceed even if James requested a delay or didn't respond. Courts are mindful of the service member's rights, but also of the petitioner's need for timely resolutions. A family law attorney could help ensure that the case stayed compliant with both the SCRA and state law while still moving it forward to secure the support and the finality that Lisa needed. So here are some steps that you can take if you're in a similar situation. So if you're in Lisa's shoes, here's a roadmap that'll guide you. First thing is file the appropriate petition. Start by filing the necessary paperwork at your local family court in Georgia or the Superior Court if your county doesn't have a family court. Be prepared with documentation of things like income, expenses, child-related costs so that you can ask for child support. Step 2 is serve the papers. Use a professional processor experienced in serving active duty military personnel. They'll know how to navigate the additional requirements for military service. Third thing is be ready for delays. Understand that invoking the SCRA protections is within the service member's rights. And while this may slow things down, yeah, I know you hate that, I get it, but it doesn't mean that your case is going to stall indefinitely. Fourth thing is seek legal guidance, and this is really important. Cases involving the SCRA can be more intricate than typical family law cases. First of all, you should always hire an attorney for any type of family law case because you get one bite at the apple. But in this situation, particularly, an attorney can ensure that your case is handled efficiently and fairly. Lisa's story has a silver lining. With the right legal guidance, she successfully navigated the process and she was able to secure child support for her children even while James was deployed, and the divorce moved along at the pace it should have. But she got that child support that she so needed much more quickly because she knew what she was doing because she used a family law attorney. So if you're facing a similar situation, know that you are not alone. We deal with these kinds of issues all the time, and we can help you understand your rights and your options. Feel free to reach out if you've got questions. We're here to help, no matter which side of the coin you might be on.
Thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to click subscribe, like, follow, and turn on those alerts so that you'll get notified when we post our newest videos. And please share these videos and leave us comments and ask us questions. We love questions. Also, join our Facebook group at Georgia Divorce and Custody, and I'll see you again on the next video.